Yes, friends, in the part 2 chemical coordination, now I am going to discuss about the pituitary gland. See here, pituitary gland is located in our forebrain, below the hypothalamus, with the infundibulum. Staphylococcus section is there. This is the infundibulum. Here, this is located in our brain, forebrain, with a small depression is there. The depression called as sella torsica in the sphenoid bone. On sphenoid bone, have a depression is there. The depression is called as sella torsica. Sella torsica, bony depression on sphenoid bone. That's the location of pituitary gland, which is in the bean-sized gland. And here, the pituitary gland also called as hypophysis cerebri. Hypophysis cerebri, otherwise called as a hypophysis cerebri. Right? Now, pituitary gland has two lobes, which are the anterior lobe and posterior lobe. This is the anterior lobe and posterior lobe. I am writing here anterior lobe and posterior lobe. Anterior lobe also called as adenohypophysis. This one known as the adenohypophysis, and posterior lobe also known as the neurohypophysis. What is the reason behind that? Anterior lobe of pituitary is not directly related with the hypothalamus. It have that portal system is there, which is the hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system is there. But whereas the posterior lobe, this lobe is under direct regulation of neural system. That's the reason it is known as the neurohypophysis. Okay, anterior lobe and posterior lobe. This is also called as adenohypophysis. This is also called as neurohypophysis. Anterior lobe has divisible into three parts, which are the pars distalis. Second one is the pars intermedia. Pars distalis, pars intermedia, pars distalis, pars intermedia, and pars tuberalis. Here there pars tuberalis. Here pars intermedia is in humans. It is met with the pars distalis and pars tuberalis. Pars tuberalis. So here, these anterior pituitary secretes the 6 hormones. Anterior pituitary secretes the 6 hormones, and pars intermedia secretes the only 1 hormone, and neurohypophysis are the posterior lobe secretes the 2 hormones. Now here see, I am writing these secretions, anterior pituitary secretions. First one is the growth hormone. Growth hormone. Second one is the thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone. Next one, adrenocorticotrophic hormone. Adrenocorticotrophic hormone. And next hormone is the follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone. Growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotrophic hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone. This is the LH. LH is the luteinizing hormone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The one more is the prolactin. PRL. Prolactin. Okay. Here, growth hormone and thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotrophic hormone, and follicle stimulating hormone, LH luteinizing hormone, and prolactin. And here pars intermedia is there. It can secrete the only 1 hormone, that is the melanocyte stimulating hormone. Melanocyte stimulating hormone. Whereas the neurosecretory under regulation of neural regulation here, that posterior part of pituitary, which is neurohypophysis, it secretes the two hormones. One is the oxytocin, second one is the vasopressin. Right? These are the 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6 are the 9 hormones. So total together 9 hormones are secreted from the pituitary gland. These 9 also under control of hypothalamus by the portal system and hypophyseal tract. Now here see growth hormone. GH is the growth hormone. This hormone is very essential for the growth of the body. It means bones. This GH is act on the epiphyseal plates of our bone. These epiphyseal plates will be act on that. This hormone they use for the elongation of the bone. It is act like a insulin like growth factor. That's the reason we can notice who is anger, they are showing the more growth because of the secretion of growth hormone. Because of secretion of growth hormone. And here thyroid stimulating hormone. It acts on the thyroid gland. It can stimulate the thyroid hormone. And adrenocorticotrophic hormone. See, this pituitary secretion acts on the adrenal gland of cortex region to produce adrenal hormone. And follicle stimulating hormone. In the female, the ovary, the growth of follicles, which depends on the FSH. FSH. In women, the FSH will be used for the development of follicles in the ovary. In the luteinizing hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone is very essential in the maturation of Graafian follicle and rupturing, and it will be directly effect on the ovulation in the menstrual cycle. And here see, this luteinizing hormone is used for the along with the androgen for the spermatogenesis also. And prolactin also called as the hormone of maternity. Hormone of maternity. This hormone also called as lactogenic hormone. During pregnancy, this hormone is very essential to develop the mammary glands and to prepare the milk, but should not ejaculation. Okay? Prolactin is very essential for the development of mammary glands and milk development. And in that milk will be produced in the action of prolactin. And that's about these hormones of the antipituitary. When you come to the interquartz intermedia, it has a melanocyte stimulating hormone. This is the only one hormone which is act on our melanocytes which are present in the skin. Due to highlight and dark light and dim light, these melanocytes will be gathered. It's called for the pigmentation purpose. The melanocyte stimulating is the pigmentation purpose. And here, when you come to the posterior lobe, oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin is very essential during childbirth in the maturation, that they give the strong contraction in the myometrium of uterus, oxytocin, and moreover after childbirth this oxytocin will be stimulates the milk ejaculation, and oxytocin is essential for after birth it will be assisted the pregnancy. And vasopressin also called as the ADH, antidiuretic hormone. This hormone it will be act on the DCT of our nephrons. In the nephron, if the more dilute urine is excreted with some electrolytes, it will be reabsorption will be takes place and it prevent the diuresis. So the total